Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
As long as everybody is worried, everybody wants that Goa should be safe. We are constantly at only one job, that is to keep Goa safe and defeat COVID-19. I would like to mention to you our SOPs which are there will keep on evolving and evolving out of discussion. And Chief Minister is open to discussion. We should be happy that we have got a Chief Minister who is open to discussion. We are trying to tell the people that if they don't have a home and residential address here in Goa, do not come to Goa. We are not saying come to Goa, welcoming people to Goa. दुसरी गोष्ट कित्याक की गुड्स कॅरियर्स इतर काही गोष्टी जे जातात हे सगळ्या दृष्टिकोनात हे जर ओव्हरऑल केले वी हॅव टू सी दॅट वी स्मूदन आउट द प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो विदिन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. But criticizing the government and criticizing the government after being ministers in the government, it doesn't only it reflects very badly on the individuals who are constantly criticizing the Chief Minister. I've been seeing that constantly people are making videos, constantly people are trying to attack the government, constantly people are trying to find an excuse to say that there's a difference of opinion between us ministers and the Honorable Chief Minister, which is wrong.
मंत्री निलेश काब्राल म्हणटा गोंयांत येवपी प्रत्येकाची कोविड चाचणी जावपाकूच जाय.
सरकार हांव सदांच सांगता सरकार म्हणल्यार लोकांनी जर पयशे दिल्यार सरकार चलतलो नाल्यार कसो चलतलो. सो कोण जर भायल्यान येता 8,000, 10,000, 15,000 फ्लायटीचे तिकेट दिता, राजधानीन 7,000 दिता आनी अशे पे करून येता नाल्यार टॅक्सी करून 25,000 दिता तर 2,000 दिवपाक कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. सो म्हाका दिसता सरकारान जो स्टेप केला हांव सीएमाक रिक्वेस्ट करतलो आज परतून की कंपल्सरी सगळे कडेन कोविड टेस्ट करपाकूच जाय आनी तांकां फ्री क्वॉरंटायन 14 दीस करपाचें ना. लोकां भितर प्रॉब्लेम जाला, लोक विचारता ताका आमकां कशें जातलें आनी हितून एनिमिटी वाडटली आनी झगडी जातली. सो सरकारान कंपल्सरी कोविड टेस्ट हो कंपल्सरी 2,000 रुपया घेवन कोणाक आतां येवपाक जाय तेणी करून घेवपाक जाय.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.